I'm so glad to be back on YouTube filming, and yeah, I'm really excited about this. What I'm going to do for you guys today is just have fun. You know, it's Easter and I haven't really been able to do any kind of painting for the past week. I was in London for a few days, and then when I got back I got sick, and I'm just, you know, starting to feel a bit better now. So I'm really looking forward to doing some work and kind of just relaxing. I don't want to do anything serious, so that's why I pulled out my art journal. And yeah, we're going to talk a bit about that too. All right, so today I really just felt the need to go crazy with like mark making. So I'm going to start with that. I'm just listening to, I don't know, to my body, what I want to do, what I feel like doing, you know, not putting any kind of pressure on myself. So here we go. I'm getting all this stuff out. So I have a few Copic markers too. I don't use these too often, but I pulled out a few. I figured, why not? It's gonna, you know, be fun to just try and make some different kinds of marks for once. And yeah, so that's why I pulled them out. And I love the way the Copics work with gesso, because they're ink, right? They're not what I usually use. And the fun part about these is that they have the brush side and then they have the like marker side. So I was planning on not using blue. I'm just gonna lay it aside and not use it, I think. And yeah, I'm just trying to listen to my body. All right, I'm coming with some reds and just having some fun. So what I was talking about when I started the video is that I've kind of made a few decisions. And one of them is that I really want to get back onto YouTube again. I miss YouTube so much, and I feel that YouTube is like the right platform for art. I don't know. I was really liking Instagram until the reel things showed up. Not that I don't like reels, because I love reels, because that's video too, but it's just the way that like everybody tells you what you have to do and what you should do to, like, I don't know. I just wanna paint and be me on on any platform, and you know, I think I can do that more on YouTube than anywhere else. So that's why I decided to just like come back to YouTube, just come back to where I started and do what I enjoy and hang out with you guys again. I'm so happy to be here. Really, I am. It's I don't know. I should have just kept going, I guess. But in a way, it's been fun on Instagram too, because, you know, I really enjoyed like when we could just take pictures and show like what we were doing and stuff. And then all of a sudden, everything just got so serious, and I don't know. All right, so I'm just going to keep making different marks and just have some fun with it. And I'm going to get, because these are all water solubles, guys. Everything that I've used except for the ink marker are water solubles. So when you paint over them, they move, right? And I like using water with them, but I also like, you guys know that, I like using gesso. And I have to stretch over here to get it. Let's see. And yeah, you can just do whatever you want with it. You can just have fun. And I love the way these water solubles like turn into paint. I love this on paper. I don't do this too much on on canvas. I don't know. For me, it's like I have two different ways of working. One is the way I work on canvas, and one is the way I work on paper. And I think it has something to do with the substrate, because paper is like totally different from canvas. It just is. So I'm gonna dip this into some water, and I'm gonna take a tiny bit of that purple in there, because I want to see what happens when I mix that purple with that red, if anything happens. Yeah. Oh, look at that. So now I have permanent red violet. That's what Amsterdam calls their red violet, permanent red violet. So, and I love that color. It's one of my favorites. And let's see what happens when I put it into the orange. Oh, I get a nice brown tone, reddish brown tone. Oh, I love that. Yeah, so you see, I'm not really falling in love with any of this or like trying to make a masterpiece or anything. Just trying to loosen up, warm up. And when I do this a lot, I get, you know, it's easier for me to start work on canvas. And I just do it for the enjoyment part of it because I really love just painting, just to paint, you know, not, I don't know, it's less serious this way. So I guess that's what I like about it. I don't always want to paint for it to become like the best piece I ever made. I just want to paint to have fun sometimes. All right, let's see. I have some of these. How about the yellow? I'm trying to like stick with the colors that are close to each other, like the yellow, the orange, the reds. I don't know. This is just what I want to do today. I'm so tired of always painting. Everything I make is blue. I don't know if you guys feel that way, but sometimes I just like, I need to do something that's not blue. And that's what I was feeling today. Yeah, so I don't know yet how, like, what day I'm going to post or anything, but we'll get back to that. I have to do some planning, but I'm really, really looking forward to this. And I'm making an online course for you guys in English. So I'm excited about that too. Yeah, we just have to take things one step at a time and we'll see how things go. Putting gesso on here again, just because I want to. I really like the thin layers you get from the gesso, and I also love the feel of gesso. Yeah. Okay. So you don't want to put these in wet paint, I'm just saying, in case you have some laying around and you want to try it. Wait until the paint is dry or start with them like I did so that you don't ruin them, because they get ruined really easy. All right, I'm going to get a thinner pencil. Let me see if I can find the regular pencil somewhere. Everything needs to be sharpened here. And I don't have my sharpener, so we'll see if this works. Because I like to make like some thin lines and yeah, just to get the variation into my work. I love mark making. It's the best part of painting. At least I think it is. All right, guys, I'm not gonna talk through this whole painting, but I just want to let you know that I'm going to be back on YouTube, guys, and I'm not going to be posting more than once a week or anything, so it's not like I'm not going to be here every day, but yeah, I'm going to be here at least once a week, and I'll you know, we'll find a day and I'll let you guys know. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this, and I'm just going to put on some music and relax.